Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create a part using different tools which are available in both Sketcher Workbench and also in Part Design Workbench. So I'm going to use random tools over here and I will be showing what are the tools I'm going to use to create a part. And up first I'm going to use a tool called spline. So I'm clicking on spline. I have selected spline, which will turn the selected option into orange color, and I'm going to place some points here and it will create a spline. Okay, so I have created a close sketch, and over here I want to have a smooth edge here in this part of sketch. So I'm going to edit the sketch by double clicking on it. Okay, so the last point I'm going to make it tangency, and I'm going to reduce the angle here somewhere around 100. Okay, so now this is very smooth here, and now I'm going to use a tool called circle. I'm just going to click it and I'm going to create a circle up here. Okay, now exit workbench, and in the part design workbench I'm going to create a pad which will create volume for this sketch. So I'm going to give a dimension of 25 with mirror extend option selected. So this will create a part like this. So let me rotate and show the part to you. Okay, so over here I have drawn a circle, but it is showing as a hexagon. So this is because my options for the display is not smoothed out. Okay, so I'm in display. I will go to performance and change the curvature accuracy ratio to minimum. Okay, so as you can see over here I have smoothed out those edges. I'm going to create a sketch on this surface. Previously I have selected the XY plane, and on that plane I have drawn my sketch. Now I'm going to select this surface, and on this surface I'm going to draw my sketch. Okay, and this is the tool for fit in all, which will fit your complete diagrams, sketches, 3D parts into our workspace. And I'm going to change the view here to parallel view for better understanding of the surface here. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in using the zoom in tool and draw using profile tool. So I'm going to draw a random triangle here. Okay, and I'm going to make these points on the triangle edges coincident with these edges of the previous 3D body. So for that, I am selecting the point by clicking it, and right now I am holding Control and selecting this edge, and go to Constraint Defined in a dialog box. Click on it and then select Coincidence. It will create a coincidence between that point and the previous edge. So likewise I'm going to do for other points and the edges. Okay, now click on Exit Workbench, and I'm going to create a pad for this sketch. So over here the sketch selected must be sketch 2, because sketch 2 is our sketch which we have drawn right now, that is a triangle. So, and I'm going to give a dimension of 10 and click on OK. So it will create a section like this, and I'm going to create some more sketches on the surface over here. Okay, I have to change it to parallel. So this is nothing but parallel view, and zoom in, and this tool is to pan your sketch area. Right now I'm going to draw a couple of rectangles. Okay, and on this rectangle I am going to create a fillet. For this there is an option called corner, and I'm going to select the corner option and then select these two lines to fillet that corner. Okay, I'm not going to change the dimensions. I give Exit Workbench. Now I'm going to use Pocket, and over here I want to remove the 3D body up to last. So I'm going to choose up to last and give OK. So this will remove the 3D body till the end, as you can see over here. Now I'm going to draw a sketch in the ZX plane. For that I am selecting the ZX plane and going to sketch over here. Now I am not able to see the pocket which we had made before. We had made a pocket using a circle and also a couple of rectangles over here. Now I want to draw a sketch in this space, but when I make normal view I am not able to see that space, and for that view I am going to cut this part body using the sketch plane. So we have an option for that. So cut part by sketch plane. If I click on this, it will cut the part on the sketch plane, as you can see over here. Right, now I am going to make normal view again, zoom in somewhat and draw a circle over here. For that I am selecting circle and draw a small circle and give exit workbench, which will move me back to part design workbench. Now I am going to make a pad here, and I am not going to use dimensions. I am going to use up to next, so which will create a 3D body just up to the next surface. And I'm going to click more over here to create a second limit for this pad, which will be in this direction. So here also I'm going to select up to next, and have a preview here. Okay, so I'm going to check whether it have created up to the surface above. Yes, we have. So that's it. We have created a part